Hey, quick question for you. If I can show you a way to get paid $100 instantly without chasing any leads or spending hours glued to your phone, will you give me the next few minutes? Because I've got something brand new, very fresh, that's working right now, even while I'm sitting here talking to you. There's not a single person out there who couldn't use an extra $3,000 per month. That's just $100 a day. Imagine that coming in no matter what you're doing. If you're at work, out to dinner, even sleeping. Now that kind of consistent cash flow wipes away all the daily money stress, like rent, your car payment, groceries, family expenses, and you don't have to trade your time for it. My name is Dan Froelke, and I haven't had a job in over 15 years. Not because I'm some genius or I won the lottery. It's because I look for proven, legitimate ways to make money online, and I share that with others. And that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video right here. Except 90% of the work is going to be done by AI. It's called MailBot. And it's your very own branded email assistant. And it works like your very best sales closer, but it's smarter and never takes a break. And again, it runs entirely through email. Here's exactly what it does. It sends instant, personalized replies to every inquiry. It has real, natural conversations that actually sell. You can promote up to 3 affiliate offers in every reply. And it knows if it's talking to a new lead, a customer, or a teammate, and it adjusts automatically. And it follows up daily until they join or they opt out. That means no chasing leads, no talking to anybody, no missing sales because you were busy. MailBot answers all of their questions, handles objections, sends payment instructions telling people how to send you $100. And it alerts you the second someone joins up. And it does all that while you go and live your life. So every time someone signs up for their own MailBot using your link, you get $100 instantly paid directly to you. And you can choose however you want to get paid via Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Apple Pay, even crypto. You name it. $100 per sale, 1 sale per day. That's $3,000 per month. That's very realistic if you get 10 to 12 people to connect to your MailBot. It does all the conversions, all the selling and the telling, and all the follow-ups for you. You don't have to do anything. It works for any affiliate businesses, courses, tools, memberships, it doesn't matter. And every person who signs up through you is locked to you for life. If they renew or upgrade or refer someone else, you keep getting paid without lifting a finger. Here's how you can get your very own MailBot. All you have to do is click the very first link in the description of this video. Pay a one-time $100 setup, then $99 activation and support for an entire year. And here's exactly what you're going to get. Your very own branded email address and MailBot. 24/7 AI conversions, smart daily follow-up messages, on-demand lead exports, and stats. And you can promote 3 affiliate offers at once, and you'll receive unlimited $100 commissions over and over again. Remember, every day you wait is just another day you could have been paid. It's very simple. Just set it up once, and it keeps working in the background 24/7. While you're at work, while you're at dinner, while you're sleeping, while you're doing anything but chasing those leads. So if you want a very easy $100 per day side income without the grind, get your MailBot today. Click the link below right now, and by tomorrow, you could have your very first $100 notification. This is Dan Froelke, and I look forward to working with you with the MailBot.